Thank you all for being here tonight. And thank you, President Trump, for selecting me to serve as an Associate Justice of the United States Supreme Court. It's a privilege to be asked to serve my country in this office, and I stand here tonight truly honored and humbled.
That is Amy Coney Barrett. And with just days to go until the US presidential election, Donald Trump has managed to squeeze her on to the US Supreme Court. Her swearing in on Monday night has conservatives cheering and liberals crying foul. The 48-year-old has been a highly respected Circuit Court appeals judge for the past 3 years. She's also a devout Catholic and mother of 7, including 2 children she adopted from Haiti.
So I have my husband Jesse, my son JP, my daughter Emma, my daughter Juliet, my daughter Tess, my daughter Vivian, and my son Liam.
She will now sit on the 9-member Supreme Court, replacing Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the liberal justice who died last month, aged 87. Just look what that does to the balance of the court. 3 justices appointed by Democrat presidents and 6 appointed by Republican presidents.
This is my 3rd such nomination after Justice Gorsuch and Justice Kavanaugh, and it is a very proud moment indeed.
Well, that frightens liberals because they fear the court may overturn laws relating to abortion and other issues, including healthcare and immigration.
I'm afraid for what this means for the current state of our country. I'm afraid for what it means for women's rights, for abortion.
And remember, Supreme Court justices have a job for life, so Justice Barrett could be there for decades.
She's 48 years old, so she could be on the U.S. Supreme Court for 30, maybe even 40 years.
The Democrats tried everything to stop Barrett being appointed, arguing that it was too close to the election.
It is a sham. It is a rush to put in a justice. Today, we are 21 days from the election. People are voting. Millions of people have already cast their ballots.
The Democrats' top man in the Senate, Chuck Schumer, even said it was against Ginsburg's dying wish.
She said, "My most fervent wish is that I will not be replaced until a new president is installed."
But Republicans have a slim majority in the Senate, and so Barrett was confirmed, leaving Democrats seething and talking about the nuclear option, packing the Supreme Court.
Vote now.
Are you gonna pack the
Make
court?
sure you, in fact, let people know
He doesn't want
you're a
to answer the
senator.
question.
I'm not going to answer the question
Why
because
wouldn't you answer that
because
question?
the question is
Radical left.
Will you shut up, man?
Listen.
And so if Biden wins the White House and the Democrats take the Senate too, they could, in theory, pack the Supreme Court, expanding the number of justices from 9 to, well, whatever they deem necessary. And for many Americans, that would be hard to swallow.
And Senator Harris, if elected, would you pack the Supreme Court?
Susan,